In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Webflow developer in 2026. We'll start with the best foundation you can get, Webflow University. Head to university.webflow.com. This is Webflow's official free learning hub packed with videos, lessons, and exercises that mirror real project workflows. Use the search bar to find topics like layout, interactions, or CMS, and explore learning paths that build skills in a sensible order. As you watch, open a Webflow project in another tab so you can follow along. Replicating what you see immediately will help everything click faster and stick longer. Next, click on Certifications. Certifications validate your skills and show clients or employers that you can build reliably in Webflow. Start by reading the exam outlines and recommended prep. Pay attention to the skills and scenarios each certification emphasizes, such as building responsive layouts, structuring a CMS, or managing publishing workflows. Treat studying like a project. Review the topics, practice in a sandbox site, and use the practice materials to check your readiness. When you pass, share the badge on your portfolio and professional profiles to signal credibility. Then, click on Courses. Browse the catalog to find beginner-friendly tracks if you're new, or advanced topics if you're polishing. A great approach is to watch a chapter, pause, and immediately recreate it step by step in your own project. Keep short notes on concepts that trip you up and revisit those lessons later. Turn on captions and adjust playback speed to suit your pace. Most importantly, practice with intention. Don't just watch, build. After that, click on Custom Code in the Webflow CMS. This lesson explains how to safely use custom code inside CMS fields and templates to extend what's possible. You'll learn where custom code belongs, how it impacts design and performance, and how to keep everything maintainable. Typical use cases include embedding third-party widgets, injecting small enhancements, or formatting dynamic content beyond native options. Always test on a staging domain, preview thoroughly, and confirm that pages still load fast and render correctly across devices. Here are practical tips while learning custom code in the CMS. Understand the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript so you can read and troubleshoot snippets with confidence. Keep code modular and commented, and limit scripts to what's absolutely necessary. Scope styles to avoid unintended overrides, avoid blocking scripts that slow down the page, and ensure features degrade gracefully if scripts fail. Keep a personal snippet library and document where each piece is used. Publish only after verifying that content editors can update CMS items without breaking the layout. Congratulations. By leveraging Webflow University, validating skills through certifications, deepening knowledge with courses, and responsibly using custom code in the CMS, you're building the exact toolkit needed to become a Webflow developer in 2026. Stay consistent, keep iterating, and you'll grow fast.